Everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another DIY for you guys. Now, let me tell you a little bit about this DIY that I'm going to do. Last week I did a video where I did a terrarium, but I put blinged out flowers in it, like white creamish flowers, because I don't really like greenery. And one of my subscribers contacted me on Instagram and she said to me, I want to see you do something with greenery. You said you don't like much greenery, but I want to see you do something with greenery. You can bling it out if you like, but it has to have greenery in it. So I said, okay, so that's what we'll be doing today. So let me tell you what we're going to need for this DIY. Alright, we have our gems here that we're going to be using. And we'll be using the small ones and the even smaller ones, because these ones you can get from Walmart. I got mine from Dollarama. And we have this piece of floral foam. And we have this nice bucket that I got from Dollar Tree. Isn't it cute, you guys? And we have our bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. And we have these flowers here from the Dollar Tree. And the greenery also from the Dollar Tree, you guys. Aren't they nice? And we have our scissors and our cutters and our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started on this DIY that I have to have this greenery in. Okay. Alright everyone, we're going to take our two small gems, our small and our even smaller ones. And we're just going to hot glue them to the green leaves. So give it some bling going all around the leaves, you guys. Alright, we're gonna take our bucket, which is already nice. It looks really nice. And just add some bling to it, because you know, I just have to add the bling. I like when things are nice and shiny, so I'm just gonna add the bling wrap from Totally Dazzled going all around. But you know, the Dollar Tree also sells these bling wraps, smaller sizes. But you know, so you could, if you don't want to get it from Totally Dazzled, you can use the bling wrap from the Dollar Tree. Now we're just gonna add the foam to the vase bucket, and then we're just gonna add our flowers. So we're just gonna cut them off and place them in a nice arrangement, going all the way around, you guys. And here's our finished look. I think it looks very nice. Yeah, it does. Greenery is not that bad after all, eh? No, I think it looks very nice all blinked out. And I love how the bling wrap gives the... What would I call it now? Is it a bucket? Anyways, I love how the bling wrap makes it stands out even more. And the gems. Oh, look at the gems on the greenery. I think I love greenery with gems, you guys. Yeah. I think I can get to like this. I do. I think it looks really nice. What do you think? Do you think it looks nice? How do you think I did? Alright, you guys, thank you so much for coming on and seeing my greenery challenge that I had today. Yeah, and I hope I've inspired you with another lovely DIY for you to do for your home. And don't forget to like and share. And don't forget to leave me a comment about the greenery. And press that subscribe button if you haven't pressed it already, so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye, everyone.